on, CJ. Earn your keep.
Better Bell!
Damn, that was some serious shit. Yeah, man, those balling fools won't try that again. Now let's get back to the Grove.
All right, I'm on it.
Waiting for?
Oh, that's one up for the Grove.
Say what, Smoke? All you managed to do was eat my damn food up.
Yeah, it was getting cold.
Y'all coming in for a beer?
Nah, baby, I need to get back to the crib. CJ, give me a ride?
All right, Smoke, let's go. See y'all later.